Are you sick and tired of paying crazy overpriced fees for subscriptions that sometimes you probably don't even use? You probably don't even know you have it available on your Amazon Fire TV stick. But listen, do you want to get applications that give you free content on apps that you can't find in the Amazon App Store? Follow along and I'll show you how I get these apps on my Amazon Fire TV stick. I'm Lee. I'm here to help you and show you all the tips and tricks available on your Amazon Fire TV stick. First thing we do need to do is get one app off of the Amazon App Store. So over on Find, click down into Search. In Search, we're going to type in Downloader. D-O-W. Here it's come up pretty quick for me. You may need to actually type in the whole word Downloader. And then we can click on Downloader. Downloader is this orange icon. Highlight it and click on it. And here it says, I already own it. So yours probably says get it. So get it and download it and install the application. Downloader gives us the ability to install applications that aren't available in the Amazon App Store. And here it's asking us to open, so just click on open. Allow downloader to access files, media, and photos on our device. A quick start guide, click OK. And here downloader works just like a normal web browser. So we can just type in a URL like ledbytheunknown.com or highlight it, click on it, and I have a shortcut for you to get to the website to get these amazing apps for movies, TV shows, live TV, and sports. And we type 370178. That's 370178. And here we can click go. Now this will bring us right to the ledbytheunknown.com download section. There is a quick little 5-second redirect. Once the redirect is completed, if we can favorite this to the downloader app. So we can just use the 3-line button on our remote. And here we have add current page to favorite. So there's also, you can change font size, full screen mode, but we're just going to add current page to the favorites and then hit save. Now, anytime you want to come in here onto the download section, we can just, in downloader, we can just highlight favorites, come over and click on downloads. Now this download section does have some tutorials and how-tos, ones that maybe I can't show you, and has a bunch of apps available, top 10 lists for movies, TV shows, live TV, and sports. So head on down. We do have all the updated best apps for 2025 into July. We're pushing into August right now. So movies and TV shows, cinema, probably one of the best ones lately. It's been up and down, but it is still working. We head on down in the cinema page here, the little blue button, we can click on it, and it's just a quick download for us to install. Now, downloader needs authorization through the Fire Stick to download applications that aren't available in the App Store or from unknown sources. So here the Fire Stick lets us do this. It directs us through how to do it. So we click on settings and it says install unknown apps. Here we will click on it and downloaders here highlighted. We just click once to turn it off to on, and this allows downloader to install other applications that are not available on the Amazon App Store. We move out, back out twice. It'll reopen downloader. And here we can hit install. This is a one-time deal only. Once downloader is enabled to do this, it'll work for the rest of the applications. Down on the bottom right, highlight install and click on it. Guys, as we're waiting, please give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. Helps out with the algorithm, apparently. Now, once the app is installed, we can just highlight done in the bottom right corner here. Click on it, and then delete, as we no longer need the installation file for the application. We can confirm the delete. Now, as you can tell, after we went through the settings options, it kicked us back into the downloads homepage. Sometimes it does it, sometimes it doesn't. I'm not too sure why. But since we favorited our web page, we can just click on the favorites. If you didn't, that number is 370178. So we can hit favorites, highlight downloads, and we're here. Now we can find, header back down. So we have cinema. We can try on stream. Another quick file to install. And again, highlight install. Let the application install. And once it's installed, done pops up right here. Highlight it. Of course, we need to delete the installation files. We no longer need it. Using up space on our device. Hit delete. And then we can come down if we're looking for live TV. We got stream. This app is on fire. Heads to the web page. We'll head down. And here's the button for us to click to install the application. Down on the bottom right, it's going to say install. So highlight and install. Take a moment, it's installed. Then we highlight done, click it. And we need to delete the installation file. And yes, delete so the installation file doesn't take up space on our device. We back out one from the stream. And we come down to LiveNet and click on it. LiveNet's page, we can head down. And here we can do Amazon backup or Android devices. And we want to install down on the bottom right, highlight. Application gets installed. Once it's installed, highlight done. And then delete the installation files we no longer need it on our device. We can back out. So we got 2 for movies, 2 for live TV. We got one more really good one for sports. So the sports section. Big Brother to stream. And here we can head down in the installation files. Have the latest application. Some apps have been being blocked. So far these apps are all good to go. Install. Highlight and click done. And we delete the installation file. Confirm the delete. Now we have 4 great apps on our Amazon Fire TV stick. Let's head back to the home screen. Our number 1 priority is online security and safety. Please get yourself a good, reliable VPN. I highly suggest IPVanish. IPVanish comes right up. Highlight it, click on it. I already have it installed, so just get it, download it, install it. Use the link in the description below, or use that QR code to create yourself a login and password. Once you've done that, open up the application and use those credentials to log in. And here it says I'm not connected, so I'm going to connect to Las Vegas, which was the last place I was connected to. And this helps if you're looking to get good connection with the latest main events, or you want to geolocate your location on our device. So I'm connected here. Down at the bottom left is a little map icon. We can click on it. And here, this shows our default, our favorited items, countries, and cities. So if there is a particular city you think you want to see through, or there is a main event at, like Vegas or Dubai, we can find it down here. It is alphabetical order. Where'd it go? Oh, I already have it. There we go. So Dubai, you can click on Dubai, and here we can unfavorite it, and the star goes away, or we can push the favorite button, and the star is back, and now we're favorited. And we click on it again and connect to Dubai. Takes a few moments to switch it up, and now we're connected. Couple side notes. Under the settings icon here, we can set this up to connect automatically as soon as the Android device or Amazon device turns on. There is a split tunneling feature, which if enabled and you have apps selected, I'll show you here. Under user apps, these are all the applications that we have currently on our device. So if you have like an app, say Netflix on your device, and you want to keep it in your home city or home country, enable it. It will no longer need to route through Dubai or whatever you have your VPN set to. It'll stay in your current country. So I'm in Canada, boom, current country in Canada. If you're in the United States or Australia, if you have this enabled, Netflix will stay in that region. If you disable it, Netflix will switch to the region that you have the VPN connected to. So keep that in mind. So I'm going to keep that on. And then we have automatic connect. As soon as IPVanish turns on, it automatically connects. And also kill switch option in case IPVanish decides to stop working. The kill switch is there to disable all internet access to the device. A great safety concern, just in case you have something on there you don't want public. Let's find these applications on the home screen. If we come to the 3 squares plus sign, we get our apps and games section. Now all these applications that we downloaded, the last thing to be downloaded, ends up at the very bottom of the list. So what we're going to do is use our 3-line button on our remote and move it to the front. And it puts it up in this top bar, which is the shortcuts menu on the home screen. So I'm going to do the same with live, move to the front. I'll do the same with cinema, move to the front. Downloader, definitely move that to the front as it's our new app store. And IPVanish, move to the front because we always need to secure online activity. So if we go back to the home screen, our applications are up front and center. Best 5 apps for you on your Amazon Fire TV stick. Please share this with a friend. Tell everyone you know. Thank you. Happy streaming. Peace.